Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today you're going to see me recreate this design right here by this talented artist. I have recreated one. Remember when I did the seashell Manny? Oh, I have it upside down. Elena Hoya, nail artist. This is the Manny that I'm going to recreate, and I wanted to come here and show a tutorial, because obviously her work is freehand, but I want you to see. So this is my right hand where I've already done the Manny. I don't do there's no way I would do that precise of a freehand work, and I know she uses gels, but I figure I'll get creative with my my stamps, go looking for them, and then attempt to recreate this as close as possible, where to a point that I will be satisfied. And the color polish, yeah, my camera is throwing it off. You know, I wanted to stay within the grays, and so to show you her, let's see, her Instagram, if you guys are interested in following her, because I do follow her on my Instagram. This is her Instagram page right here. So it's not a recent post, it's something that I've had saved on my Pinterest for a while. But yeah, Elena, thank you for the inspiration. Thanks for sharing your work. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Alright guys, so here's the final result after I applied my top coat and cure on my LED lamp. What do you guys think? I do want to let you know that the very first gel top coat that you saw me apply was this one. This is actually almost empty, and I've used this over glitters before, and I know it has been contaminated, so I didn't mind using it directly over these nails after applying the glitter. And then after that was cure, I used my brand new gel top coat, one of the few that I have, so that it will be fine. And the main reason for this tutorial, I wanted you to pay attention to how other uses on how you can use your stamping plates. I mean, who would have known that this image came from a Christmas plate, right? But yes, I took, I remember, and I know it's dirty, so, but I remember how elaborate the design is, how beautiful it was over that clock, from that clock, and that's what I wanted to simulate. And with the dot, with the little dots and very fine details, I used this this stamping plate. And yeah, if you want to brave a dotting tool, the more power to you. I just cannot do this detail of good work with my left hand for bringing this over to my right hand. Okay, and I wanted them to look very dainty and fine, and I wanted to make sure I got had the angles just right, and going from placing one on one side and then the other. And then yes, I colored in the image with a regular polish that I just try to get as close to this gray as possible. So I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.